Weather is amongst us, so I brought you a Jeep. It's a 2011. It's a loaded up Laredo V6 4x4, factory leather, factory backup cam, alloys privacy glass, heated leather. Got the infotainment screen so you get streaming audio, you get Bluetooth technology, hands-free calling, you get a USB, auxiliary line in, factory trailer tow, and a pano roof. Yup. It's a 2-owner vehicle with 23 dealer service records, and it's clean. It's a no BS truck, folks. It's not driven hard and put up wet. I've personally driven it. It drives out nice and tight, holds the road. Leather wrap steering wheel, fold away second row, nice set of tires on it. Got little meaty Yokohamas, fresh brakes, full service and safety inspection. That's done at DasCleveland.com. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Guaranteed credit approval on this vehicle. Yeah, it's available. Guaranteed credit approval is going to $795 starting down payment for a 2011 Jeep. Great mileage on it. Well maintained. Inspected. Carfax certified. Warranted. And guaranteed credit approval. Starting at $795. DasCleveland.com.